All right, good afternoon. Welcome to the Judicial Proceedings Committee. Today is
A Senate Judicial Proceedings Committee hearing on Senate Bill 676 as gun safety advocates take aim at irresponsible gun owners to hold them responsible in shootings involving children.
Unfortunately, not all gun owners are being responsible with their firearms, and too many children are getting access to these firearms and are hurting themselves or hurting others.
The bill, which actually was brought up 2 years ago, stems from a shooting in March of 2018. A 17-year-old student gained access to his father's gun, entered Great Mills High School in St. Mary's County, and shot and killed a 16-year-old girl and injured a 14-year-old boy. Currently, Maryland law only requires adults to limit access to firearms for minors up through age 15. If passed, the new law would require firearms to be stored unloaded and locked and inaccessible to minors up to 18 years of age.
At the end of the day, the person who should be being held responsible for keeping guns out of the hands of kids who are in crisis is the person who owns the firearm, and we need to be able to hold them accountable to a higher degree.
The bill also requires the Deputy Secretary of Public Health Services to develop a suicide prevention and safe firearm storage guide by January 2023. Social and healthcare workers believe this would reduce unintentional shootings and youth suicides.
As a social worker, I work with children who are experiencing a lot of mental health issues, and one of those things we see a lot is suicidal ideations. And what's important to us is ensuring the safety of children when they're experiencing that. So we want to make sure that children don't have access to means when they're at that level of crisis.
Now, a similar bill has been introduced in the House but hasn't had much movement. Sources close to the Senate bill, that's Senate Bill 676, say if there is no movement or that House bill dies, then most likely this bill will be pulled. In Annapolis, I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.